Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
In this video, we take you to Duanesburg, New York, where a routine traffic stop spiraled into a fast-moving, high-risk confrontation. A New York State trooper pulled over a speeding SUV and was immediately met with gunfire. Let's break down what happened, and how one officer stayed in the fight against overwhelming odds.
Three, 6, 4, shots fired! Shots fired! Mile post 108, shots fired!
Trooper Richard Albert had just pulled over a vehicle for going more than 100 miles per hour. But before he even reached the driver's window, the suspect inside opened fire. Albert is hit in the shoulder, but doesn't retreat. Alone and injured, he returns fire and stays engaged, even as the suspects flee.
Three G64, I need assistance. Shots fired, mile post 108. Three G64, shots fired.
A passing truck driver witnesses the chaos and makes a bold move. He uses his rig to block the suspect's escape, disabling their vehicle in the process. But the danger's not over. The suspects then attempt to carjack a pickup truck at gunpoint.
Three G64, comm check, shots fired. I'm hitting the arm. Three G64, shots fired. Mile post 108, town of Duanesburg. One black male, one white female. A fleeing west to eastbound.
Shots fired, mile marker 108. The black male fleeing the scene there.
Affirmative, they just hijacked the vehicle. It's immobile because it was in a collision. It's a Ford pickup. Get down!
Ford pickup fleeing the scene, hijacked vehicle. 964, you secure?
Negative! Not in custody. I'm hitting the arm. Put your hands up!
14.
Put your hands up! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle! Now!
3G22, 3G23.
Get out of the vehicle!
Despite his injuries, Albert continues pursuing on foot, using the grassy median as cover. He exchanges fire again, reloads, and holds his position until backup can arrive.
Put your hands up and get out of the vehicle!
Believe I am still in an active situation. Shots still being fired.
Get out of the vehicle! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Shots fired.
hands up!
No further. The caller stated that he got into an accident on 88 and somebody shot at it.
Put your hands up!
Despite being under fire, the suspect showed no signs of surrendering, continuing to engage the officer at every turn.
Put your hands up! 3G64 ComSec.
Check 3G64.
The shooter is on foot, fleeing into the wood line, south of I-88. Gonna need aviation and a canine. Put your hands up! Stand up!
South of I-88 at 1119.
He's gonna be wearing, I believe, jean shorts or running shorts and a black hoodie. He's armed with a silver handgun.
For nearly 12 minutes, Albert remains the only officer on scene, managing both his injury and an active threat. Once support arrives, one suspect is taken into custody. The other is later found deceased in the nearby woods. This incident is a clear reminder of how quickly things can escalate, and how one officer's determination made all the difference. What are your thoughts on how this situation was handled? Let us know in the comments. Hit like if you found this breakdown insightful, and be sure to subscribe for more real-world analysis.